Good morning, class. Today, I'd like to announce our first performance task in science, which will be a portfolio and the compilation of all the activities from this quarter. So the deadline will be tomorrow, exactly on 8 p.m.
After practice, I'll finish my projects in science.
Am I understood? Okay, class dismissed.
Goodbye, and thank you, Mom Julio.
Guys, can we do our dance practice after the last period?
Yes, I'm cool.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Yeah, sure. Thank you guys for today. See you tomorrow. Don't forget our group project, okay?
Bye, guys.
Giselle, wait! Hey, why?
Guess what we've got?
We got your favorite concert ticket.
From your favorite artist, Ben and Ben.
Wow! Oh my goodness!
When?
It's tonight!
Oh, tonight?
Everyone, please pass your project. I assigned you yesterday.
Here's my project now.
Only C passed the project. And because of that, you fail in my subject.
Mom!
Yes.
Thank you, Lord.
Good job everyone on your project, and because of that, I will give you 50% increase of your grades.
Congrats! Congrats!
It's hard for me really, but can I decline? For now?
Why? This is your chance to see your favorite idol.
Yes, I really do want to go in the concert, but you know, we have many upcoming projects, the portfolio, deadline tomorrow. Am I right?
Yeah, you have a point.
Maybe we should focus on the studies, and then in the future we can meet them, right?
Yeah, we agree with you. And maybe we'll just give this to someone who really wants to see the artist.
Yeah, let's go.
In our life, we tend to sacrifice things we dearly hold to accomplish our setting plan, our priorities, and goals. We may feel regret, but I know along the way we can say that the small things we let go will maturely grow you.